Welcome to Let's Do English. A fantastic welcome to all my lovely subscribers and those that are here for the first time. In this lesson, we will learn the 12 rules to follow when using the articles. Articles indicate whether the noun in a sentence is generic or specific. The articles in English grammar are a, an, and the. Articles are of two types: indefinite articles and definite articles. A and an constitute the indefinite articles where the noun is generic and is not known to the reader or the listener. For example, I went to a bookstore. The constitute the definite article where the noun is specific or the identity of the noun is known to the reader or the listener. For example, I went to the bookstore. Let's take a look at the rules when using the article a. A is used with single countable noun: a book, a table, a phone, a car. A is used with consonants. All the letters of the English alphabets, except the vowels, constitute the consonants. A is used before consonants or consonant-sounding words: a tree, a feather, a dog, a squirrel. However, there are exceptions to the rule. We say a university and not an university, since university is pronounced with the Y-O-U sound. We say a European and not an European, since European is pronounced with the Y-O-U sound. A should not be used with plural nouns. It is wrong to say a cars, a tables, a trees. A cannot be used with uncountable nouns. It is wrong to say a water, a milk, a happiness, a advice. But one could say a bottle of water, a piece of advice, a moment of happiness. Let's take a look at the rules when using the article an. An is used only with single countable noun and is not used with plural nouns or uncountable nouns. This rule holds true when using the article a. For example, we say an orange or an elephant. We do not say an oranges, and we do not say an air. An is used with nouns that begins with the vowels a, e, I, o, u, or vowel sounding words. For example, an orange, an ice cream, an elephant, an umbrella. However, there were exceptions to the rule. We say an honest man and not a honest man, since honest is pronounced as on. An MBA and not a MBA, since MBA is pronounced as the EM sound, M sound. Now let's take a look at the rules for using the article the. The is used when talking about a specific person or thing. The red scarf is my favorite. The is used with single countable noun, plural nouns, and with uncountable nouns. The book is on the table. This constitutes an example of a single countable noun. The books are on the table, which is a plural noun. The furniture has been restored, an example of an uncountable noun. The is used before superlatives like the first, the biggest, the smallest, the best, the luckiest, etc. The should be used with surnames. Make sure there is an S added at the end of the surname. For example, the Phillips are visiting us this afternoon. The is also used when referring to one-of-a-kind object. The sun, the earth, the moon, and the stars. We also use the when referring to countries with the word United or with certain countries. The United States of America, the United Kingdom, the People's Republic of China, the Philippines. Oceans, gulfs, seas, rivers, and canals. The Pacific Ocean, the Persian Gulf, the Suez Canal, and the Red Sea. When referring to mountain ranges, the Alps, the Himalayas. No articles are required when talking about things in general or with plural nouns or uncountable nouns. For example, it's good to exercise. I ate 2 apples for lunch today. There's milk in the fridge. Articles should not be used for possessive pronouns like his, my, our, its, her, and their. I met his mother yesterday. No articles are required with the first names of people, continents, countries, streets, subjects, sports, single lakes, single islands, single mountains. I hope you found this video very useful and comprehensive, and if you did, go ahead and like, share, and subscribe. Also feel free to take the test here to see how well you know your articles.